Power BI is a powerful cloud-based suite of business analytics tools that make it easy to combine data from multiple sources, analyze and visualize information and share insights. It provides interactive visualizations with self-service business intelligence capabilities, where end users can create reports and dashboards by themselves, without having to depend on any information from technology staff or database administrator. Course details. Our Power BI pack includes our 8 Power BI courses plus a bonus free course that is exclusive to Elite and Power BI pack holders. This group of courses will turn you into a Power BI expert by providing in-depth instruction on all of the capabilities that Power BI provides. Learn how to utilize Power BI to transform your data into easy-to-use visualized reports and dashboards that you can share and view from any device. Courses included: Introduction to Power BI, Power BI for Consumers, Power BI Administration, Power BI with Excel, Power Query for Business, Introduction to DAX, Advanced DAX, Power BI Custom Visuals, Advanced Power BI. Click the link below to start your free trial.